Namaste everyone. Today I am going to tell you about the mechanism of monsoon. See the statements. The following factors are important for the mechanism of monsoon. The first one or A, the differential heating and cooling of land and water. Try to understand the meaning of these dark words that the differential heating and cooling of the land and water. Let me bring the pen. Yes, now see, this is the landmass and this complete landmass, the nature of landmass, we will understand about this and also about the nature of oceanic or the water bodies. What the nature of land? The nature of land is to get heated very fast and also to get cool very fast. And just opposite, the oceanic part or the water bodies, they get heated very slowly and they also get cool very slowly. Then what happens? During the daytime, in the presence of sunlight, the landmass, the coastal area landmass of India get heated very fast. When it get heated, the low pressure occurs. And during this time, the water body, nearby the water body, it is cool, so it contains high pressure. Now, on the water, high pressure is there, and on land, low pressure is there. Then what happens? The wind starts blowing from ocean to land. This is known as sea breeze because the breeze is coming from sea to land. Just opposite. In the evening, what happens? The land becomes cool and the water becomes hot. The wind starts blowing from land to water in the evening. It means the land breeze starts in the evening. This happens only due to the differential of heating and cooling of land and water. Let us see the complete statements. The differential heating and cooling of land and water creates low pressure on the land mass of India while the sea around experience comparatively high pressure. I think this statement is very much clear to you. Let us see the next. The next point is the shift of the position of Intertropical Convergent Zone (ITCZ). Intertropical Convergent Zone. The This is the equator. Let me bring the pen. This is the equator, and near the equator, in the north of the equator, 5 degree north, this is known as intertropical convergent zone. What happens? See the statement. Now intertropical convergent zone is clear to you. Now see the statement. In summer, during summer, what happens in the summer? Over the Ganga plain में क्या होता है? This is the equatorial trough. क्या होता है? Low pressure zone is created in the north of the country. Due to the formation of low pressure zone in the north, the intertropical convergent zone, that is 5 degree north, it shifts from here to Ganga plain. Okay, then what happened? This is the equatorial trough. This region is known as equatorial trough. This complete area is known as equatorial trough, normally positioned about 5 degree north of the equator. I think it's clear. It is also known as the monsoon trough. The same thing, the same area is also known as the monsoon trough during the monsoon season. When we will read advancing monsoon, during that time the same area is known as monsoon trough. I think this is also clear to you. If yes, then let us come to the next point. The next point is the presence of high pressure area. I think the high pressure and low pressure is very much familiar to you. And it is saying the presence of the high pressure area in the east of Madagascar. Where is Madagascar? This is Madagascar. Let me bring the pen once again. Yes, this is the Madagascar. In the east of the Madagascar, what happens in the east of the Madagascar? Approximately at 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. This is situated in the Indian Ocean, approximately 20 degrees south, in the 20 degrees south. What happens? The intensity and position of this high pressure area affects the Indian monsoon. What happens? The normal nature of ocean current is to blow from South America to Madagascar. But due to the presence of high pressure near the Madagascar, the counter current starts blowing. If the counter current starts blowing, it affects the monsoon of India, and India receives late monsoon or low rain. So I think it is clear. If I think yes, this is clear. Now come to the next point. The next point is, see the next point. Again, see the statement. The Tibetan plateau gets intensely heated. Now, see this during summer. See the season. The season is summer. During summer, what happens? The Tibetan plateau. Let me bring the pen once again. This is the Tibetan plateau. The Tibetan plateau get heated, and the wind, I think you are able to see the Tibetan plateau, it get heated, एरो बना हुआ है, आप देख रहे हो एरो बना हुआ है, and shoots on स्नो, ठीक है ना। आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पर ये नॉर्थ की ओर वर्टिकल मूव कर रहा है। यहाँ पर वार्म विंड्स है जो कि वर्टिकल मूव कर रहा है। सी व्हाट्स रिटन इन द text. Now, the Tibetan plateau get intensely heated during summer. Summer season में क्या होता है? Tibetan plateau जो होता है वो गर्म हो जाता है, and which result in strong vertical air current. Strong vertical air current. I think you are able to see. This is the strong vertical air current. ठीक है? Now, after that what happens? And the formation of low pressure over the plateau. Of course, if vertical air movement is there, if the area get heated, then low pressure must be created over here. It's known to us that if low pressure creates anywhere, then the wind from high pressure come to fulfill the area of low pressure. So the wind is coming from this direction. The direction is already mentioned. So, I think this is also clear to you. Let us see the next point. The next point is, see, ये तो आप लोगों को पहले से पता है कि क्या है, जेट स्ट्रीम है। जेट स्ट्रीम में क्या पता करना है, मैं आप लोगों को पहले से बता देती हूँ कि जेट स्ट्रीम का सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट क्या है। इंक ले आओ। जेट स्ट्रीम का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है कि दो जेट स्ट्रीम्स हैं। सी द स्टेटमेंट, द मूवमेंट ऑफ द वेस्टर्ली जेट स्ट्रीम टू द नॉर्थ ऑफ द हिमालय। नाउ सी, दिस इज द नॉर्थ jet stream in the north of the Himalaya. This is the jet stream in the north of the Himalaya in the black picture, the arrow. And The presence of the tropical easterly jet stream. In the next picture, the blue picture, here one red arrow is showing. This arrow is the tropical easterly jet stream over the peninsula. This is the peninsular part of the country. In the peninsula, you are able to see the arrow, and during the summer, this jet stream, tropical easterly jet stream in the peninsular region, as well as the westerly jet stream in the north of Himalaya, they both are helpful in the bringing of monsoon to the country. अगर ये तुम्हारा क्लियर हो गया है तो हमारा जो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट है इट इज द लास्ट पॉइंट दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस apart from this. It has also been noticed that changes in the pressure condition. Now, again, this is known to you the pressure condition, high pressure zone, low pressure zone over the southern ocean also affects the monsoon. And how it affects the monsoon? It see, it is known to us that this is the Madagascar. Let me bring the pen. Yes, this is the Madagascar. Madagascar near the Africa. This is known to you. Now, if this is Madagascar, then what happened? Just now in the previous part of the same topic, I already told you that the wind blowing from Madagascar to South America and South America to Madagascar. If the wind, if the high pressure is near the South America and wind is blowing or the ocean current is moving from South America to Madagascar, then it is helpful for the rain in India. If it becomes as a counter current, means the high pressure creates near the Madagascar, and instead of coming wind from South America to Madagascar, it is going in the opposite direction, that is from Madagascar to South America, then India will get rain less or late. So these are the some important facts that I want to tell you. If the counter current is there, it means it is El Nino. If the proper current is there from South America to Madagascar, then it is known as the La Nino. La Nino is helpful for the rain, whereas the El Nino is helpless in the rain. So I think the topic is very much clear to you, and I will try to make